Pro-Am, professional and amateur, is not a new story. We have it in tennis, we have it in golf, now it's in ballroom dancing. Professional mixed with amateur, that's always fun. Imagine you're amateur, you never danced before, and now you're dancing with your teacher, performing on stage. How fun is that? Especially for the amateur to be able to dance and be part of this journey with a professional instructor is absolutely incredible experience. Me as a teacher, I train a lot of students. I have pretty big experience in Pro-Am right now. I do a lot of competitions all over the world. Dancing with my students and training them, it's been a great journey for me. It's very different than going to the gym. It's something more. When you dance, you're not only losing weight or getting in a great physical shape, it's very emotional. You have to learn different steps and you can connect with another person. It's very different than just exercising. In ballroom dancing, it's great physical activity. It's a lot of emotions involved. Also, you're dancing not by yourself there, you're dancing with a partner, and in this case it's very highly professional. When I do competitions, I personally try to connect with my students as I would dance with a professional partner, so they have that incredible experience on the dance floor.
All right, thank you very much, couple.